Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream machine with cardboard easy guide. Begin by collecting cardboard, a small motor, a sturdy container, a mixing paddle, tape, glue, and insulation like fabric. Measure and mark the drum and lid, leaving room for the container and paddle. Prepare a simple motor mount and ensure the axle is centered. Work slowly and test rotation before adding ingredients to avoid spills. Start assembling the drum by tracing and cutting 2 circular end pieces and a matching wall from cardboard. Attach the wall to one end carefully with hot glue or strong tape, then insert the container to check fit. Reinforce the seam with extra layers and add a centered hole for the axle. Mount the other end piece and test stability by rotating the drum by hand to confirm a smooth, wobble-free motion. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more DIY guides that are simple and fun. Quick recommendation: life is too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp, cool scent that pairs surprisingly well with kitchen projects. I put one in my car and it made errands feel nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Mount the motor so the axle lines up with the container paddle and secure it to a firm base. Attach the paddle to the container lid so it mixes without rubbing the sides, leaving a little clearance. Insulate the drum exterior and pack crushed ice with salt or an ice substitute evenly around the container for faster freezing. Run a short test with a small mixture to confirm rotation and cooling before making a full batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.